think this one is I think this one is kind of great. So I just showing my head arm this here. Anyways, back. Yeah, who cares? Hello guys. So welcome back to Lamb's Journal. It's me. Or no? I don't know what to talk. I don't know what to talk about. Just yeah. It's udah juga guys. Kayaknya yang kita nggak bakal lama-lama banget. Ya, nanti bakalan pause dulu. Bentar habis dulu aja ya. Habis dulu aja lah. Dulu dari sini sih. Udah. Kalau singkat aja ini video singkat dulu ya. Nanti dilanjut. Nanti sore. Hari ini hari yang agak spesial. Hari ini tanggal 25 Mei 2026. Bertepatan juga 3 hari lagi my happy 22 century. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous but today because there's a door in front of me. You know, it's a door to the next chapter in the forest, the Dogwoods. Oke, kita doang guys. Oke, gue harus coba ngapelin. Oke, gue harus baca ulang doa habis azan deh, kalau gue agak lupa. Ini dia di The Dark Woods lagi ada pintu di depannya. Ini tulisannya it's only open for it will open only with the chosen people, and it has the time it's 3 p.m. but I don't know, I'm not that ready to open that in on time because I'm fasting today, and I think I'm gonna open it at my end of my fasting. Yeah, I'll open it with my mom, of course. So let me in the future must be know what's happening, what thing that happened today, but yeah, I'm not gonna explain it more, but yeah, today is really important, and I know that what's behind the door, but I don't know exactly what's gonna happen to me in the future. I just know that I will do something new in the dark woods, and maybe the dark woods will have a new bright sign where I should go, because I have been lost so many years and I'm still walking. I notice dark woods, it's my imaginary thing about my life, and it just started this like the last year in 2024, but yeah, the metaphor, I think it's already been years, but it just built on my mind the last year. Yeah, so I think just hope that what I deserve, apa yang harusnya aku dapetin di masa depan, bisa dimulai dari hari ini. Adit yang lebih baik, Adit yang lebih sehat dan lebih bahagia. Okay, so I think that's all just for today. I think today I'll make 2 videos. Yeah. Yep. I need to go to pray now. Okay, see you. Bye.